If you've ever caught a whiff of a burning smell in your car, it can be alarming. But what if your car isn't overheating? We'll break down 5 common burning smells and explain what might be causing them. Understanding these smells can help you act quickly and avoid bigger issues. Burning rubber, a strong, sharp odor of melting rubber. Common causes: slipping belts, worn out or loose belts can overheat as they rub against pulleys. Tires rubbing against fenders due to misalignment or overloading. Damaged hoses touching hot engine components. Inspect belts and hoses for wear or misalignment. Check if your tires are properly mounted and inflated. Burning oil. A heavy, greasy odor. Oil leaks. Oil dripping onto a hot engine or exhaust components. Excess oil can spill into the engine bay. Check your oil level and look for leaks. Get repairs done promptly to avoid engine damage. Burning plastic, acrid chemical-like odor. Electrical problems. Short circuits can melt wires. Plastic bags stuck on the exhaust. Inspect for melted plastic or electrical damage. Have a mechanic check for wiring issues. Burning clutch for manual cars only. A pungent, sulfur-like odor. Riding the clutch, excessive use causes overheating. Avoid riding the clutch and practice smooth shifting. Persistent smell. You might need a clutch replacement. Burning brake pads. A sharp chemical odor after braking hard. Causes overheated brakes, hard braking or dragging brakes. A stuck caliper, a seized caliper causes friction. Allow brakes to cool. If persistent, inspect the brake system. When to seek professional help. If you can't identify the burning smell or see warning signs like strange noises or lights, consult a mechanic immediately. A burning smell in your car doesn't always mean overheating, but it's crucial to identify the cause. Knowing these 5 common types of burning smells helps keep your car running safely and efficiently. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more car tips and advice.